We're ready. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go.
Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Barbara. Welcome to Barbara Bakes. This week we've got for you a fantastic recipe. It's a keto chocolate mousse. It's smooth, creamy, simple, and only a few ingredients. We're continuing our keto series. If you want to see more videos from us, just click on the link above. Don't forget to watch this video first though. So the ingredients for the chocolate mousse are 340 grams of cream cheese, and I use a thick cream cheese like Philadelphia, 165 grams of sugar-free chocolate, and 120 grams of erythritol. I also need 2 egg whites, 180 mils of whipping cream or double cream, some of you will know that as heavy cream, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And in this bowl I have some chocolate shavings which I've taken out of the chocolate chips, and that's going to be for decoration. Now to start our keto chocolate mousse, we're going to whip our cream cheese. In goes the cream cheese. Let's give that a mix until it's smooth. Add our erythritol, and then we're going to add our melted chocolate and mix everything so it's nice, smooth and light. So in this pan I have some water which I've boiled up. I've got a heat-proof bowl with my sugar-free chocolate in it. We're going to sit the bowl on top of the water. The water isn't touching the base of the bowl, and the steam is going to rise up and melt the chocolate. I'm going to give that about 2 to 3 minutes and the chocolate will start melting. I'll give it a stir and leave it again. It'll probably take 5 minutes in total. As you can see, there's no lumps, and that's ready to be mixed with our other ingredients. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of the cream and add it to the chocolate, just to bring the temperature of the cream up a little bit and bring the temperature of the chocolate down a little bit. If I just pour this chocolate straight into the mixing bowl, it's going to get shocked and you'll end up with tiny little bits of chocolate in your nice smooth mousse. I can feel actually that the temperature of the chocolate has cooled. So I'm going to add this to the mixing bowl. So let's get the whisk back on. Now before I add my cream, I'm just going to give it a little scrape down so I get to the bottom. Pour your cream in. Nice easy recipe. Add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. If you wanted to add more flavours to your chocolate mousse, this is the time to do it. So you can add a shot of espresso, some lemon zest, some orange zest, some lime zest. And once you have everything mixed together, you can add your fluffy white egg whites to the mix, and you're going to fill those in gently, and I'll show you how to do that. So the egg whites are nice and firm, as you can see, which is how we want them. I'm going to add half of these. We're going to fold that through, lighten up the mix, and then we're going to add the other half and fold that through. And then we'll be ready to put it into our glasses. So I've got my chocolate mousse in my piping bag and I'm ready to go. Of course you can do any pattern you like. I'm just doing something really simple, and it's just blobs of mousse all the way around. Because it's a keto chocolate mousse, you need to get 125 grams, and I'll have all the details in the description box below. Here's another technique you can use, which is also very pretty. And just to finish, add a sprinkle of grated sugar-free chocolate. There you have it, 4 lovely piped chocolate mousses. Actually this one, all I did is I dolloped it in with a spoon. So if you don't have a piping bag, don't worry, it'll still look gorgeous. You can put it in your bowls, your glasses, anything that you have, maybe a teacup, that will look lovely when your friends come around, or if it's for yourself, treat yourself to a lovely glass. Smooth, intense, creamy, and no sugar. If you like this video, don't forget to give us the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and put your notifications on so that you know when we upload a new video. If you have any comments, put them in the description box below. We love to hear from you. Tell us what you thought when you made your chocolate mousse and what flavours you added, and let us know what you want us to do next time. We'll see you soon.